said next we share with the insurance classroom. You should say we need to be there dancers. You start classroom. You share never be pre a be a dream and amani who never be pre insurance. Now ye met my catcher say you do baby a film pony I shall say. They are killing dogs to be pre. And then per se and share and even found motor comprehensive insurance. Motor comprehensive. Because apparently me in the paper a share the catches oh me my comprehensive oh me can your comprehensive insurance BBC me insurance company share no answer me kwa Jimsika na me tesa na am my DJ bebre na comprehensive insurance dia a boy pa because in the comprehensive insurance here so your comprehensive insurance a bow car no one can protect you the costs na ka car no said you ejatomwa anasa comfort via anasa bia accidental any accidental damage anasa madam you can me share story bi o se no otwi ne car na mpan so na odu traffic mu na said you bodam for bi na mchen ohu ya so otwi na apim car ni eno kra no so a insurance company bitua it comprehensive ni here me san ka bi nra chi ye madam ba ko so send me video bi na obi ato ne car kama fa wa park ese ba bi na aponchi bi diniti boka ni mu na okọ na car na kra amoa so comprehensive insurance and so betia it comprehensive insurance na papa e poen say e boy car ho ban or e car e boy free boto na so comprehensive na enye no ano no nche say akwanhia kosi anasem kosi anase san ba na onyi sika free boto and no and pese yi adwen free so because abri pepre no yakase my comprehensive there many insurance company ni hwe e chesa say dey moka e kwa ba kwa why comprehensive insurance na so say bibi kosi a obeboka eye bibi e friend say policy SS menim ye mododo ayate policy SS e o motor insurance policy SS dey pese change na say so comprehensive insurance now we insure car no so car no value here 50,000 that's 100,000 now insurance automatically one kasa unipa no be insurance no broni ba say you bear 10% what fa say car now dey 100,000 no one kasa say we from 10% and 10% of 100,000 here and just saketwa that's 10,000 Ghana cedis 10,000 so car 100,000 we dey what tum even though we are comprehensive no but a policy say what jet to say akwanhia kosia 10% there wafa say car ni na akwa wafa 10% say damage no so here ketwa bia damage say the tibia wafa 10% say 5,000 for 10% say 1,000 probably for 10% it is sign a policy accessibility e comprehensive insurance bia mu abaye moto policy bia but so we need one abra yesuin okwa betim insurance company na kasa na waka chom say oh media me pesa 10% no me pesa mo for 100%. It is all kind of they have a way that you can sell or they can buy the excess back so that a honor more be 100%. Now if you won't bear the 10% of excess but emma free it comes with additional premium. As over 2 years can kakaya then aside then aka. Into yentia says even though comprehensive no SS into no policy SS into no bibi kosia which we kakaya then a free bottle. Patriati on us. Say a private car rating at 10%. Say a commercial car rating is saying 15%. That's policy SS. Yan fa non koto. The tosu mienu towing. Most comprehensive policies and most insurance companies omeka say towing bar they will pay a reasonable amount and the towing amount will not be more than 20%. Will not be more than 20% of the repair costs. Until car no ebia takrade o kana ko say sibia seshi na you see to car the batakrade kokompe na ye be repair car pachiati ase enti de batakrade kokompe anase bia o car na say suhum kwanso I see to the back car now the brand bia Toyota anase garage bi no mo ye ma wo de ba no obi dokofa car be juice car. But the insurance company can say a car will be born for towing and yes, and pro 20% of Sika they be repair car in na. Second Bruswa, there can one or bit ya. It be a car no Sky by repair no year 10,000 and a better repair car no 20% of 10,000 and now that's the maximum they'll pay for towing. It is a process kana that I say we iske kakra free then ubotom now they are so towing so actually I say oh it ya can excess ya can towing afi dia toso miensa a contribution say you have the principles here previous videos near the principles of insurance no ya church contribution mu as a principle abeda di wa say the insurance company can say they pay for affected parts. And the last video, previous video, the indemnity, you're not supposed to gain. You're supposed to place you on the same position that you were as Hannah or how no and as a pensioner then. By your share, we bet you a true car, if you are back bumper. Near fix the company in Becca, so you don't fix the bumper now, you fix it, you say this spray. But we will say, oh, be a person faster when you're not going to spray or car in it's an insurance company you could car spray in because on to have a accident near them affected you. But one person faster when you're not spray or car in dear and your best for said brand will contribute before the spraying. But we are saying it's a contribution of the edge. And to go back and say, oh, me kwaje estimate every me garage and become an insurance company. But the call no or match titi ni nyama sa me na ba film. E bia na contribution so ka ho because e bia estimate at the buy no, what you estimate for total spraying of the car. But company ko spray car ni na ho. Ono no e hwe ba bia accident ni see ye, no spray ho. E tu pa konya bia spray car ni na no, e so be ka say bra be contribute. It's in a beer or froze even though I'm comprehensive. It was yet a safe phrase as the homes. After the papa, you see, we say, oh, comprehensive insurance, a price one. We say depreciation, wear and tear. We say corrosion. We say mechanical structure, and I say electric, and I say electronic damage. Car, electronics, and I say car bring electronics. You see, a friend is saying it be a push to start. It be a dakoko miasu tune na so. Accident be NCU. So this one is just electronic fault. I know insurance company say even though comprehensive insurance won't ya. It be our dear handbrake and a electronic. Almost wafe and chibio. And no accident be NCU. Insurance company ain't ya. Say uchu tire car tire chassis ya na tire here. That's wear and tear. Insurance company and can say what comprehensive insurance to be top tire for Friday and the amount then be. It way a near ma a woman is here insurance company ain't ya. Now the tractor no you become contractual liability. Me for example we na yentiasi. Car I develop a fault. What the Akoma mechanics on repair now. I did call hono a jar to Hamanashi. Car so any my cars are winning ash, including your car. Insurance company say when it happens like that, baby out the car no call you know, or say side panel and a replace your car no between insurance company comprehensive policy no. Will not pay. Me sure say I dream for. I dream na yen dream ho. Say one say be say bia fa ho a. E betimi na to comment na say. na yɛso bɛnya mmerɛ ne adagyeɛ ne akyerɛkyerɛ mu ama yɛn nyinaa ate aseɛ sɛ yɛde insurance classroom aba yɛde aba sɛ yɛde ba bɛboa yɛn ama yɛn nyinaa yɛate insurance ase ama aboa yɛn ama yɛnya mfasoɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛnya hwɛ insurance mu no sɛ yɛte aseɛ mu sɛ yɛte aseɛ a ɛde bɛtumi ama yɛnya mfasoɔ no nti ne yɛaba a yɛbɛsua adeɛ ɛtu nso wanya wɔ ha yi mɛmfa nhyɛ wo nko a wo ho ɛne afoforɔ ɛnkyɛ na invite afoforɔ na mo nyinaa bɛka the insurance classroom na yɛn nyinaa yɛnsua adeɛ na mmoa yɛn na ma yɛ asetena ɛnyɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ meda mo ase